Namaste student, myself JV Nanshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. My subject is microbiology lab and today's session is perform staining on given bacterial culture. In this two objectives are there. First is collection of bacteria and then second is staining and observation. So first of all, we will discuss the protocol of this uh, practical. So in this, uh, for for the staining practical, we perform gram staining practical. In this, the principle is to differentiate between the two major category of bacteria, which is gram positive and gram negative, to understand how the gram stain reaction affects gram positive and gram negative bacteria based on the biochemical and structural differences of their cell walls. So what are the materials required? First is cleaning glass slide, inoculating loop, Bunsen burner, bibulous paper, microscope, lens paper and lens cleaner. Next is immersion oil. Next, distilled water. Next, 18 to 24 hours cultures of organism. The next is primary stain is crystal violet. Secondary is mordant, gram sardine, and decolorizer is ethyl alcohol. And we need secondary stain, that is safranin. So next is, what is the procedure? So in this part 1, preparation of the glass microscopic slide. In this, grease or oil free slide are essential for the preparation of microbial smears. In this, grease or oil from the fingers on the slide is removed by washing the slide with soap and water. Wipe the slide with spirit or alcohol. After cleaning, dry the slide and place them on laboratory towel until ready for use. Second part is labeling of the slide. Drawing a circle on the underside of the slide using a glassware marker pen may be useful to clearly designate the area which you will prepare the smear. You may also label the slide of the initial of the name, organism or the edge of the slide. Care should be taken. The third part is preparation of smear. In this, bacteria suspension in broth. With a sterile cool loop, place a loop full of broth culture on the side. Spread by means of circular motion of the inoculating loop to about 1 centimeter in diameter. Excessive spread may result in disruption of cellular arrangement. Next is bacterial plate culture. With a sterile cool loop, place a drop of sterile water or saline solution on the slide. Sterilize the and cool the loop again and pick up very small sample. The next is swab sample. In this, roll the swab over the clean surface of a glass slide. Part 4 is heat fixing. In this, heat fixing kills the bacteria in the smear, firmly adheres the smear to the side, and allows the sample to more readily take up the slide. Allow the smear to air dry. After the smear has air dried, hold the slide at one end and pass the entire slide through the flame of a Bunsen burner. Next 5 part is gram staining procedure. In this, first step is place slide with heat fixed smear on staining tray. Second, gently float smear the crystal violet and let stand for 1 minute. Third is smear the slightly and gently rinse with tap water or distilled water using a wash bottle. Fourth, gently flood the smear with grams iodine and let stand for 1 minute. Fifth, tilt the slide slightly and gently rinse with tap water or distilled water using a wash bottle. Sixth, decolorize using 95% ethyl alcohol or acetone. Seventh, immediately rinse with water. Eighth, gently float with safranin to counter stain and let stand for 45 seconds. Then ninth step is tilt the slide slightly and gently rinse with water, tap or distilled water using a wash bottle. 10th step is blot dry the slide with bubbleless paper. Then 11th point is view the smear using a light microscope under oil immersion. So this is the procedure of staining on a given bacterial culture. We already taken bacterial culture from curd or any other culture medium. So this is the staining and observation procedure of given sample. Thank you, student. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section.